Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View Go, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, you will hold power key and volume up for 6 to 7 seconds. Now that depends really how quick you count. But it is a little bit tricky to get in there, because if you hold it too short, the device just simply won't turn on, and if you hold it for just a slither too long, the device automatically reboots. So we're trying to basically achieve like the in-between spot, which is fairly time sensitive. So I'm gonna start holding them and automatically start counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At which point I let go of only the power key and keep holding a volume up, but I can already tell you that this didn't work. So let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, that was too long, so it automatically powered down. The moment you see WIKO logo, it's already too late, assuming you don't have just instant reflexes. So when you see WIKO logo, you will instantaneously let go. So let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this was again too long, or too short, I mean. So let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this was good. So finally we get to actually boot into recovery mode. So as you can see, it took me a couple of tries to actually get in there. It is a little bit tricky to do it, but yeah, there it is. So in this mode, you will also need to use volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And you can see that we have several different options. So we have the reboot system, which will take us back to just Android. Let me just wipe it down so it's not reflecting like that. So reboot system now will take us to Android. Reboot to bootloader just takes us to bootloader. We have also apply updates from ADB or SD card option, along with wipe data or cache partition. Then we have mount system, view recovery logs, and run tests, along with just a simple power off option. And like I said, whatever you select, I will then confirm with power key. And I selected reboot system now to go back to Android. And we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.